In today's video, I will walk you through how to make text behind image in Canva. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Bring your image onto the canvas, then resize it so it fills the entire page. You can drag the corners outward until the image covers the full canvas area. After that, reposition the image until it looks right on screen and the subject is placed where you want it. Now let's add the text. Go to the text section in Canva and insert a text element. Type the word or phrase you want to use for the effect. Once the text is added, change it to uppercase so it stands out more clearly against the image. Next, choose the font you want to use. After selecting your font, increase the text size and move the text into position over the image. Take a moment here to line it up the way you want, because this placement will affect the final look of the effect. To help the text stand out more, apply a text effect to it. This adds more depth and helps the text pop against the image, so it becomes easier to see once part of it goes behind the subject. Now we can create the actual text behind image effect. Duplicate the image you added earlier. With the duplicated image selected, use Canva's background remover tool to remove the background from that copy. Once the background has been removed, place the duplicated image back over the original image. You want to reposition it carefully so it lines up perfectly with the original image underneath. This is what creates the illusion that the text is sitting behind the subject in the photo. If needed, make small adjustments to the text position until everything looks aligned correctly and balanced on the canvas. And that's it. Your text is now placed behind the image in Canva. This method works really well for posters, thumbnails, and social media graphics. And once you repeat the same process a couple of times, it becomes much easier to recreate the effect with different images and text styles.